This is a brand new 2014 Honda CR-V. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, a multi-link rear suspension, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a CD player, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, external temperature display, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Thank you for considering Bill Pierce Courtesy Honda for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, call our internet department, visit our website, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 780 Kitsky Lane in Reno. We look forward to serving you.